Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road just off the Trans-Canada Highway in Duncan, BC, in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2018 F-150 XLT in ingot silver. With a black sport cloth interior and seating for 5, this 4-door pickup has a 5.5-foot box and a 5-liter V8 4x4 engine, as well as an FX4 off-road package, a sport package, and a trailer tow package. It's easy to get into this truck. Just talk to our sales team. They'll be happy to take you out on a test drive. Storage, cup holder, and speaker in the door, as well as powered locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver enjoys a powered seat with lumbar support. Just off to the side there, you have your electronic parking brake, power pedals, lighting controls, and your dash lights. Your steering wheel can tilt and telescope, and there's a grab handle on the body to make it easier to get in. On the face of your steering wheel, you have dash controls, cruise controls, sync voice activated system, and media controls with volume. I'm just going to start up the truck for you. Up above in the dash is where you'll see any important messages. You also have a menu you can toggle through. Display mode, trip/fuel, towing, off-road, settings, and these all have submenus. Off to the side there, you have a little storage bin up above, and just below that, hill descent, traction control, hazard lights, and your auto start stop. Below that, you have your touchscreen media display center. You can click over into audio, up into sources. You have AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, CD, and Bluetooth stereo. You also have navigation. You can click over into settings, slide across for things like your Wi-Fi hotspot. It's also where you'll see your rear backup camera view when going in reverse. Volume and tuner located just there, as well as your CD player. Below that, you have your climate control with AC and max AC, as well as front and rear defrost. Both driver and passenger enjoy heated seats. Below that, you have another little storage bin with 2 USB outlets. Off to the side, you have 4x4 with locking differential, pro trailer backup, and your integrated trailer brake controller. Just at the side there, you have another little storage bin. Automatic select shifter here, and just on the side you have drive mode. When you give that a press, it'll be shown up above in the dash. Normal, tow haul, snow/wet, eco, sport, and background again to normal. Couple of cup holders, and in your armrest, there's a clip on the end there, plenty of room, as well as that removable bin, and a 12-volt outlet. Off to the side there, you have another 12-volt outlet, as well as a 110-volt outlet. Locking glove compartment just there. Auto dimming rear view mirror, power sliding rear window, sunglasses holder, lighting controls, and when you're ready to open up that sunroof, simply click to let in some light and air. 20-inch wheels, mud flaps, running boards, body colored door handles, keyless entry keypad, driver's side capless easy fuel gas filler, power sliding rear window. That body-colored handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. Just below that handle is your backup camera. On the bumper you have sensors. You also have a 4 and 7-pin connector, a trailer tow hitch, and a locking spare tire. When you're ready to open up that tailgate, simply put your hand in the handle and pull down. There's tie downs in all 4 corners, as well as box link. Your key fob also has remote start. Storage, cup holder, and speaker in the door, as well as powered windows. The rear seat has seating for 3 in a 60-40 split. The cloth also has that sport package. When you're ready to access that cargo space, simply put your hand underneath the seat and push up to enlarge the cargo space. When you're ready to put that seat back down in its original position, simply take your hand in that clip and pull until it sits back down in its original position. At the base of the seat there, you have anchors for baby seats. On the floor, all-weather mats. You're also seeing your extra carpeted mats. Behind the front seat, slim pockets. In the center there, a couple of cup holders, a 12-volt and a 110-volt, as well as a couple of USBs and some vents. Grab handles in the body to make it easier to get in. Power sliding rear window, and up above, lighting, hooks, and those dual moonroofs. Body-colored bumper, mud flaps, 5.5-foot box, privacy glass, window vents, heated and powered side view mirrors, rock shield hood, front tow hooks, halogen headlights, and fog lights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.